Facebook ad bans. Everyone hates them, right? Especially if you keep on doing the right thing and then you just keep on getting banned over and over again. Having said that, it is actually normal and you don't really need to stress about it. In today's video, we will take a look on some simple steps that all users should implement to keep their Facebook ad from getting banned. Let's get started.
So my ad account actually got disabled twice, and with that, I do have a question about how many times would an ad account be really disabled before it starts, going back to normal?
So if you go through the Facebook ad ban module, there's been students that gotten their ad account banned 5 times. And the reason why it's gotten banned 5 times in a row is because they didn't change or learn. Like, for example, in those videos, we go over fixing that problem. And I think we literally just changed by adding a privacy policy and a terms and conditions to the footer, and then he stopped receiving bans. Another student, he got 3 bans in a row on a certain product, and he just changed something in the description, removed a word that sounded a bit like, I don't know, maybe it triggered Facebook, removed that word, and then he stopped getting bans. So yes, you might get bans when you're scaling too fast, and it might take 1 or 2 to strengthen your account, but also, if you're getting banned for a certain reason and you're not pivoting each time, you're just going to keep getting banned forever.
Okay, and every time Facebook does reinstate my account, they don't provide a reason why. So is that for you to just find out yourself to really fix your own ads?
Exactly.
Okay.
You have to figure it out on your own. You have to test everything from you start with changing the ad copy and creative. Now, if you change that and you're still getting banned and you're testing new products and you're still getting banned, then it's on your store level, because everything's then being linked to your store. So there's something wrong with the landing page on your store. So you then want to go ahead, and if you've been banned on multiple different product tests, that means it's definitely a store issue and you're missing something in the footer or the header, or maybe your name or your URL has some explicit words in it or something, then you have to change that up. But if you're getting banned on a specific product, then it's that either specific ad copy or the specific creative for that product, or it's a specific landing page and product page for that product. So that's sort of how I troubleshoot where it might be happening.
As easy as that. Facebook has some trigger words that can get your ad account compromised for using in your product description. Or even missing a few pages on your site could result in a ban. Before we end, let's announce last video's winner for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls with Andy Mai. Here it is. If you would like to join, follow Andy Mai on Instagram, comment below, and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you will get updated on our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We all appreciate all your time and effort for watching all our content. See you guys tomorrow for more golden nuggets. Peace.